Here's another somewhat recently extinct animal that you probably didn't know existed, the domed Rodrigues giant tortoise. This is the domed Rodrigues giant tortoise, and it is very similar in its story to the Reunion giant tortoise, which I have talked about previously. They are also both found within the same kind of group of islands, the Mascarene Islands in Mauritius. However, this one is native to or was native to Rodrigues Island, while the other one was native to Reunion. However, both stories are very similar. These tortoises were absolutely thriving on the island of Rodrigues. There were thousands of them, and they were very important to the environment. The grazing of these giant tortoises were essential to the maintenance and health of the island's flora, which were then essential to the health and maintenance of the island's fauna. However, when humans settled onto Rodrigues, these tortoises had no natural fear of them. They were very friendly, they were very calm, they really did not care at all about humans' presence there. And then the humans started hunting them, of course. These tortoises were very large and very slow, so they made an ideal food source. They had a lot of meat on them, and they were very easy to catch. So humans caught them a lot. And there was other things happening too. There was the introduction of predators such as black rats, which ate the egg, as well as invasive competition from things like the rats and rabbits and all of that. So these guys were kind of being hit by all angles. These tortoises very, very quickly decreased in population, and the last one was last reliably seen in 1795, and it's thought that they were all extinct by 1800. Now, this caused a lot of problems on the island beyond the extinction of the tortoises themselves. The vegetation and the rest of the surviving fauna very quickly were impacted by the lack of tortoises, so to kind of fix that, there was a introduction of a species of tortoise from Madagascar introduced to the island to kind of fill that ecological niche. So while that did help with the island, it did not help with the extinction of these tortoises, and they are extinct and will not be returning to the island.